Hello, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so could you please introduce yourself?
Well, my full name is Taif Islam. You may simply call me Taif. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh. However, my hometown is Dohar, which is surrounding by greenery. Recently, I appeared at the SSC examination, and now, as well as I am learning English at Rahas English Care.
Could you please tell me about your hobbies and passion?
Well, honestly speaking, I have several hobbies, such as reading books, playing football, sometimes hang out with my friends, and I'm passionate about traveling.
Very nice. Okay, so what are the kind of places you would like to explore? Are you a sea person or are you a mountain person?
Uh, Actually, I'm a mountain person
Why?
because I love the hiking and the adventures like fascinate me. Um, but sometimes seas gives me like the tranquil environment I love most.
Now, could you please tell me about something that you have always wanted to pursue, either as a career or as a passion? What is that one thing?
Frankly speaking, it would be traveling
Okay.
because I'm passionate about it and I want to travel like new cities and explore new cultures, traditions in the future. One of my favorite places would be Scotland because the Scottish people are very polite and their traditions are like charm me.
You seem like a very polite person too. I can see why you blend with that culture. All right, Taif. Now, could you please choose one topic so that we can have more conversations on the topic? Here are some topics. You could pick one and then we can have a conversation.
Well, thank you. This house believes that CR7 is the ultimate code.
Someone's he don't like me, but doesn't maybe up to you.
Okay, so our last speaker also picked that topic. So, what do you think about this topic?
Well, as a Messi fan, so I don't have any idea about Ronaldo, but I'm really admire himself because he is one of the greatest footballer of world, and he plays like a great role in football.
All right. Thank you so much, Taif. It was wonderful having these conversations with you, and I hope you had a great session too.
Yes,
I hope to see you in all the future endeavors. Thank you so much
my
for
pleasure.
joining.